Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry, but I don't have all the real footage for this video. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to a land of ancient origins, vibrant cultures, and breathtaking landscapes. Get ready to explore the heart of Africa as we dive deep into life in Ethiopia. Our adventure begins in Addis Ababa, the sprawling capital, whose name beautifully translates to new flower in Amharic. Perched high in the highlands, Addis isn't just a political hub for Africa. It's a bustling, dynamic metropolis where the old and the new dance together in a fascinating rhythm. Imagine walking down a busy street, the aroma of freshly roasted coffee beans filling the air from a traditional Buna ceremony, while just around the corner, a modern tram glides silently past glass-fronted skyscrapers. This city is a sensory explosion, a mosaic of sights and sounds that truly captures the spirit of modern Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a tapestry woven from over 80 distinct ethnic groups, each with its own unique language, customs, and traditions. With a population of over 120 million people, it's the second most populous nation in Africa. This diversity is the nation's heartbeat. From the Amharic people in the Central Highlands to the Oromo, the largest ethnic group, and the Tigrayans in the north, each community adds a unique thread to the national fabric. This incredible diversity is reflected in the faces, the clothing, and the warm, welcoming smiles you'll encounter everywhere. The Ethiopian people are known for their profound sense of community, their resilience, and a deep-seated pride in their heritage that is truly inspiring to witness. To understand Ethiopia today, we must look back at its extraordinary history. This is a land with roots stretching back to the dawn of humanity. It's the home of Lucy, the famous Australopithecus fossil that changed our understanding of human evolution. Unlike most of its African neighbors, Ethiopia was never colonized, a fact that fills its people with immense pride. This independence has allowed its ancient traditions to flourish uninterrupted. Think of the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela, carved from single blocks of stone in the 12th century, or the towering obelisks of Aksum, remnants of a powerful kingdom that thrived over 1,000 years ago. History isn't just in museums here. It's alive in the landscape, in the architecture, and in the stories passed down through generations. Now let's talk about something that truly defines the Ethiopian experience, the culture. Central to daily life is the coffee ceremony. This isn't just a quick caffeine fix. It's a ritual, a social event that brings people together. The process is mesmerizing, from roasting the green beans over hot coals to the final pour from a traditional clay pot called a jabina. The air fills with the rich scent of coffee and incense, and conversations flow freely. It's a beautiful expression of hospitality. And then there's the food. Ethiopian cuisine is a feast for the senses, typically served on a large shared platter of injera. Injera is a spongy, slightly sour flatbread that acts as both your plate and your utensil. You tear off pieces of injera to scoop up delicious stews known as wats, which can be made with lentils, chickpeas, vegetables, or meat, all simmered in a complex blend of spices like berber. It's a communal, interactive, and utterly delicious way of eating. The calendar here is also unique. Ethiopia follows the ancient Julian calendar, which means they celebrate Christmas, or Jena, on January 7th and New Year's Day in Kudatash. On September 11th, major festivals like Timkat, the Epiphany celebration, see streets filled with processions, vibrant umbrellas, and priests in ornate robes, creating a spectacle of faith and devotion that is unlike anything else in the world. Music and dance are the soul of Ethiopia. From the ancient spiritual chants of the Ethiopian Orthodox Church to the groovy, funk-infused sounds of Ethio-jazz that emerged in the 60s and 70s, the country has a rich musical landscape. Traditional music often features instruments like the masenko, a single-stringed fiddle, and the krar, a six-stringed lyre. Each region has its own distinctive dance styles, like the eskista, a mesmerizing shoulder-shaking dance that requires incredible control and rhythm. The music tells stories of history, love, and everyday life, and it's impossible not to get swept up in its energy. So, what is the daily lifestyle like for the average Ethiopian? It's a life of contrasts. In Addis Ababa, you'll find a fast-paced urban existence with young entrepreneurs, a burgeoning tech scene, and a vibrant nightlife. But step outside the city and you'll find a world that moves at a much gentler pace. In the rural highlands, life is deeply connected to the land and the seasons. Agriculture is the backbone of the economy, and you'll see farmers plowing fields with oxen, just as their ancestors did for centuries. Family is the cornerstone of society. It's common for multiple generations to live together, sharing resources, responsibilities, and a deep bond of kinship. Community support systems are strong, and neighbors often feel like extended family. This emphasis on human connection, on faith, and on tradition provides a powerful sense of stability and belonging. Ethiopia is a country of profound beauty, deep history, and incredible human warmth. It challenges perceptions and rewards visitors with experiences that stay with them for a lifetime. It's a place where you can walk through ancient history in the morning and feel the pulse of a modern African city in the afternoon. From the first sip of buna to the last bite of injera, it's a journey that engages all your senses. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of Ethiopia. I hope it has inspired you to learn more about this fascinating country. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with what surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, travel safe and stay curious.